Today is August 27th, 2024, and as you can see, I made $420 trading the E-mini SP 500 using a simple automated strategy. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can do the same. The secret behind today's success is a free NinjaTrader 8 automated strategy that I personally developed. The best part, I'm sharing it with you for free. You will find the download link in the description below. I have set up the profit target and stop loss at 24 ticks, a setup that I have tested extensively. It works exceptionally well with both the E-mini SP 500 and the E-mini NASDAQ 100. The setup strikes balance between risk and reward, helping you capture potential profitable trades. Now, a quick note on the NinjaTrader A strategy analyzer. While it's a valuable tool for testing, the results can sometimes differ from real world performance. If you can look at here, I tested the ES E-mini for same day and they got 600 profit. And in same things, I tested the NQ, I got minus 125 loss for same day. But we can see like I made only two trades and it made $420. This discrepancy highlights the importance of live testing and adjusting your strategies based on the actual market conditions. Don't rely solely on the analyzer. Put your strategy to work in a real market to see the true potential. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more free strategies and trading tips. And remember to download link for this free strategy. It's in the description below. You can also join our community at Discord. If you're looking for more advanced strategies, be sure to check out my other offerings on my website. Note the prices for some of the strategies are just to cover our expenses and keep this community going. And again, it's important to keep in mind that trading isn't without its risks. Make sure to understand the potential downsides before you enter any trades.